Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide for the latest version of the Quark robot. So let's get started. So first step is to find this expert advisor. The most easiest way to find this expert is open your MetaTrader 5 terminal, click on the yellow icon here, market, then go in the search bar and type the name Quark. And immediately the icon for this expert advisor will show you inside this tab. The second thing is to click on the download demo. But when you click download demo, you will find this expert advisor inside market folder, and click on this expert and start testing. Before we start testing, I will show you what's going on and what I'm changed inside this latest version. In essence, the robot hasn't changed significantly. However, with integration of the news filter, as well as the option that allow trading on the multiple currency pair or symbols simultaneously, this robot has been elevated to the higher level. So this input here. When you insert the symbol name, don't forget to use comma as a separator, then type a new name, and so on. As for the other inputs and their value, nothing has changed. Everything remains the same as in the previous few version. Therefore, EURUSD is still top choice for this robot on the H1 time frame. For the risk management, we continue to use fixed lot sizing. So this is the minimal input. So basically, probably you will change risk for example, I don't know, depending on your account balance and leverage and so on. So I don't know, 0.05. For stop loss and take profit, stop loss and take profit are set to 0, which mean they are not used. Instead of these two, weight of 5 and 40 are used, meaning the robot make decision based on this weight, opening and closing position based on the signal rules, this input here. So let's move on. Okay. The next group of inputs relates to orders type. The robot still operates with stop orders, which is clearly visible as we use a value of -100 from the current price, indicating stop orders. If we set this input inside this input, for example 0, it will mean we opted for market orders. If we set, for example, 100, then we will start using limit orders, but by default 0 meaning -100 means stop orders. The next input represents the expiration time for pending orders in bars. 0 means it's inactive, which means the pending orders remain active until it's finally executed. So that's why we use 0 here. The next block related to trailing stop rules. By default, these rules are used and is set to true. The rules are based on moving average indicator, and all this input is related to these trailing stop rules. And I forget to mention this magic number 15. If you are using robot on the Euro USD, you don't need to change anything. A robot will start using this magic and number, I mean 15, and start managing position according to this ID. But if you are using on the more than one currency pair, or 3, 4, 5, I don't know, this number will be starting number for this magic, because each pair we will have his magic number, but this number 15 will be means starting magic in this situation. So now we finally come to most interesting parts, namely the option that allow trading on the multiple currency pairs simultaneously. In this input, if this input is empty, it means we are using the robot on, or Fairfax is better to say, we are choose to use the robot on the selected currency pair, if example the currency on the current chart. Therefore there is no need to enter anything here. So but if you want to use a robot on more than one pairs or symbols, simply insert populate list here and use comma as a separator between symbols name. The next group of represent the news filter. As you can see, this filter has two time option. So the next input means news scope. We have option to choose between day, week, month, quarter or year. And the next input below is importance. So we have high, low and medium or moderate importance, or any importance or non-importance. Anything depends what we want. And this option here means or represent option. If we activate this option, we will see comment from this news filter on the chart, nothing else. And finally, the signal section. Here everything remained the same. In the previous 9 version of the robot, and this version as well. And that will be all for this presentation. Now let's activate the robot and see what's happened on the chart. So basically, let's firstly activate the news filter and the comment, and I will use medium impact for the news scope day, and let's activate the robot. As you can see here, we are using robot on the demo account, on Euro USD, on H1, and we got some comments here. So let's use the robot on more symbols or forex pairs at the same time. I prepare some list here. Let's insert and let's check what's going on. You will see here the comment for all these symbols and when the news will be released, for start and stop time before and after the news. You can see here we start with magic 15, that's I say before 5 minutes, and the robot will automatically calculate the next magic number for each of these symbols. Okay, as you can see here, we got comment for each of these symbols related to the news, when the news will be released, when the robot will start and stop and start working again. So if you want to deactivate this option, click here like so, and this comment will be hidden on the chart. So let's start testing. I also want to emphasize that I not recommended activating the robot on the small deposit because it really does not make sense to trade with 100 or $300. It is possible. But we want to make some money. So my recommendation will be that our minimum deposit is at least 5,000 with leverage at least 1 up to 200, for example, and so on. You can use smaller leverage if you want. Everything depends which type of account you have. So, but I will test this robot right now with 10,000. Okay, let's use 5,000 and smaller leverage, for example, between 1 and 100. Okay, let's choose a little higher risk because this is a very, very small risk. Start. Excellent result. As you can see, the risk is very, very low. The performance is excellent. So let's see what is the happen for 1 year. So very, very total netto profit is very small. So our risk is very small. 1% balance drawdown maximal and so on. So 2% equity and so on. So basically that allow us to use more risk here. So let's use 0.2. 0.2, that's mean we plan to use this robot, only this robot on this account, so on the 5,000. Just a second. This is not our goal because we must earn around 2.4k for 1 year. Let's increase the risk. Now, as you can see, if we take into account our expenses around 2.2 or 2.3k for 1 year, as I say, for a bill, electricity bill, VPS service, internet service, and so on, and our total net profit will be 4.4 thousand USD minus our expenses. So we probably we will earn around 2,000 USD for 1 year. So let's check what's going on if we use this system on the higher time frame and use some recommended forex pair to trade all these pair together on the same chart. So recommended time frame is H12. Stay symbol. You no need to change this. Okay, let's firstly I need to find my list. Okay, let's insert some symbols here. As you can see, gold euro, gold USD, gold USD against USD, USD against Japanese yen, euro Japanese yen, Bitcoin USD, and British pound USD. It's recommended symbols for trading on H12. So I will decrease the risk. The scope is 1 year. Start. Okay, excellent. 15,000 for 1 year using this robot to trade on the multiple symbols at the same time. So let's decrease the risk, for example 0.03. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all, because right now we are below 10% risk. So excellent result. From next step will be, I will show you how to find on the using some search engine. Type the name Quark EA MT5. So basically, and you will see the list here, Quark, and so on, publication. This is my website and so on. So let's go to this page on the MQL5. This is some old video. Basically, you can download from this website as well. But try this robot, test this robot, and if you are satisfied, you can buy for $100 5 license for this expert advisor. That will be all, and for today I wish you nice day.